Hi, in this video I am going to show you a very good news to the candidates who are having only post-graduation as well as PG plus UG Senate. Okay, so really it is a very good mega recruitment and the huge vacancies are there from the total 106 subjects guys. Okay, so really it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government job faculty notifications. So I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the government universities. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG Set preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gorakhpur University. So guest faculty under self-financing program, and this notification released on 11th May 2021. And the online applications are invited on prescribed application form for the selection of guest faculty lecture basis under the self-financing scheme in various departments or the programs at DDU Gorakhpur University, and the duly completed application form with the required self-attested documents must reach the office of the Assistant Registrar Admin Building, Gorakhpur University by register or else a speed post only on or before 15th June 2021. So remember the last date guys, 15th June 2021. By this date, your documents has to be reached to the mentioned address through speed post or else a registered post. Okay. And coming to the departments, here huge number of departments are there guys. So that's why I told you that it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the government universities. Okay, fine. Let's check the departments here. So first one is the commerce, and under the commerce the name of programs are also mentioned here. So you may check down commerce, law, education, and adult continuing and extension education plus home science. Okay, and in the science category, zoology, chemistry, biotechnology, botany, mathematics and statistics, home science, electronics and industrial microbiology, defense and strategic studies, computer science, Sanskrit, Urdu, English, philosophy, political science, and fine arts and music, ancient history, sociology, geography, and Hindi in the Institute of Engineering and Technology, Business Administration, Information Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering and Civil Engineering, and in the Institute of Agriculture and Natural Sciences, Genetics and Plant Breeding, Agronomy, Agricultural Entomology and Zoology, Agricultural Extension and Commerce, Horticulture and Vegetable, Agricultural Economics. So total these are the different subjects guys, and you may check down the total 106 departments are there in this university. And as per the departmental wise, here the number of vacancies are also mentioned in this table. Okay, so you may check down. So really it is a wonderful opportunity guys. So please utilize this opportunity if you belongs to these departments, and if you are having the essential qualification whatever they are mentioned here. I will show you the qualifications guys. So before that one, 600 rupees per lecture is available and subject to maximum of 25,000 rupees per month you are going to get, or else the UGC rate as may be applicable. Okay, and application form, other details and qualifications as per the university are available on the university website, and the online application form filling closes on 12th June 2021. That means you have to fill up the online application form, and then you have to submit or else send that hard copy of the documents through registered post or the speed post to the university. Fine. And every applicant will have to pay or submit the fee of 1500 rupees for unreserved OBC and EWS category, and 1000 rupees in the case of SC ST category guys. And the application shall download from the application format part 1 and part 2 after completing of the online application form procedure. Okay, so these are the details. And coming to the essential qualifications, so here they mention guest faculty for the disciplines of agriculture, arts, commerce, education, law and science. Master's degree must be there with 55% of marks, and apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC or the CSIR NET qualification and the GATE qualification, or else the NET SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, and NET, SLET or SET shall not be required for such master's program in disciplines for which the exam is not conducted by the UGC or the CSIR. Why? Because UGC is conducting the NET examination for the 81 subjects. So the subjects for which not conducting the NET examination, for those subjects NET, SLET or SET qualification is not required. Only post graduation is enough. Okay, and here, yeah, these are the details, guys. And while coming to the engineering and technology, as per the ACT or else the UGC norms, guys, fine. So these are the details. I mean, I think that is in the discipline of engineering, if you're having only post graduation, then it's fine that you may apply for this one. Okay, so these are the details regarding the guest faculty in the state university, that is Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gorakhpur University. So remember the last dates, guys. Online application last date is the 12th June 2021, and our hard copy sent date last date is the 15th June 2021. Okay, so these are the dates. And coming to the qualifications, only post graduation, I mean, for those subjects the NET examination is not conducted by the UGC, or else the PG plus UGC NET for the subjects which are conducting the NET exam by the University Grants Commission or the CSIR. Fine, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of government job or as a faculty job notifications in the government universities. And to get the more notifications like this, okay, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. You may apply from any state, guys. There is no restriction here in this application. I mean, as per the notification I saw, there is no restriction that only those state people has to apply and the remaining state people should not apply. There is no restriction like that. Anyhow, I will provide this PDF links in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and the more details, please once visit the official website as well as this official notification. Then you will get the complete clarity. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.